Welcome to Dipansh video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a timer and how you can use it in your Scratch project. So, as now we have it ready, let's get coding. First, for our game, we'll need a simple game that we can make with our timer. So, I'm just going to be choosing a paddle as my player and then a simple ball as our ping pong ball. Then just paint a new sprite. It doesn't have to be anything, okay? So make a variable called timer. Click OK. Now let's add a when green flag click block. We can set timer to 30 because we want a type of countdown timer. And then forever. First we will wait a second. So wait 1 second. And then we can change timer by -1. Okay. So let's just see, and yeah, it changes to 29. That means our code is working. Now, there's a problem that if you look closely, if I set timer to just 5 for quick testing, 3, 2, 1. Well, it's going down, but negative. So, we want to hide the negative, right? Let's add an if block for timer equals to 0. Then we can just stop. Oh, this is another thing. If you just want to increase your time, it's very simple. You can just set timer to 0 and then change timer by 1. And then you can just, if timer equals to a bigger number, then it will stop all. So I hope you understand. Now let's code the paddle. So in the paddle, it's also very simple. When we clicked, we can make our paddle go somewhere around here, which is x of 0 and the y of -1 to 3. And then we can put a forever. Set x to mouse x. Now, what is our mouse x? Well, it's the x position of our mouse. So that's good. But see one thing over here. We can overlap the edge. So to not do that, we'll have to first set rotation style to left, right, if on edge, bounce. So see that it won't overlap the edge anymore, but instead it will just stay beside it. So that's good. Now the last sprite to code is the ball. So in the ball, add a when green flag click block, go to x0 and y of 0. Then we can point in direction 45, making it pointing a direction pick random. So in the pick random, we'll put some, let's see, somewhere over to there. So let's say -45 to 45 somewhere. Yeah, let's just put -60 to 60. And then let's add a forever. So in this forever, we will move 10 steps. If on edge, bounce. So let's just test it. So see that it will go to a pick random direction. So see that it is going to random directions. So anytime our player tries to do something, it will go to a random direction. Now, here's a problem. Well, what if our player goes only to the up, like in a point direction of 0? So let's put an if for direction equals to 0. we will point in direction. So outside of forever. So if direction equals to 0, then we will point in direction, let's say 45. So yeah, let me just wait until it goes to the middle, and yeah, it doesn't go to the middle. So that is great. We have our ball moving, but what about bouncing it off the paddle is the only thing that we have left. So when green flag clicked, forever, if touching our paddle, then only, so if touching paddle, then only we can change points by 1. So let's make a variable called points. Now if you want to make it only showing the number but not the name, right click it. So you can right click it and put it to large readout. Okay, so if touching paddle, change points by 1, and then we can turn around 180 degrees, so that will make it face the other direction, so the direction behind it, and then we can wait 0.5 seconds, because if we do not put this weight, it will be stuck in the ball. If you have a kind of an accurate position, so let's just put that piece of code over there. Let's check it out. Okay, so it is working very fine. The last thing to do is to go to the when green flag clicked and then set points to 0 when the game starts. Okay, so we have created a simple game with a timer. Please like and subscribe my channel. Hope you liked it. Until next time, the Dipansh video time is out.